All right. Subscriber request video. I gotta put new wheels and tires on this cart. And so I bought another set. I have been going round and round and round with these things. It says wheelbarrow. I get it. That's not a wheelbarrow. But I've been going round and round trying to find these things. And I don't even know if these will be the right ones. I bought some the other day that came with the 3/4 inch bearing, which is this. I got to have a 3/4 inch bore size. So I bought a set that came with those, but the hub, the distance from here to here was too long, and that's not noted anywhere, obviously. So the axle wasn't long enough when I put those on. I've been to other places trying to find them, and like I'd end up buying something that only had like a 5/8 bore. So there's another mistake. And then I'd end up buying something that was the wrong size altogether. So yeah, I've been going round and round trying to find wheels and tires for this lawn cart, as opposed to just buying another damn cart. But hopefully these are the ones. Like I said, hopefully. Why doesn't that want to just go in there? It's like the curse of the frickin' wheels for my cart. The curse. If I can do this. See? The curse continues. But it's in. It is in. It is in. So, yeah, I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna frickin' go buy a whole new cart. I'm tired of messing with it. I bought the ones I bought the other day were like flat free, pretty expensive, but I was like, screw it. This is gonna solve all my problems. And no, fake news just made me freaking angry. And so we're just continuing the motion. Buy wheels, take wheels back. Buy wheels, take wheels back. But I'm hopeful this time, because I did some more measuring this time. Measured the center hub, It's a 3-inch hub instead of a 4-inch hub, which is what I bought the other day. I had to like go find some rinky-dink tape measure off a shelf that I could fit through the 5/8 bore so I could measure the hub, the width, and then compare it to the set I bought the other day. And just hope that it worked out. Just hoping and praying and hoping and praying. These things will take
Drop.
30 psi cold. That's 25, which I'm gonna say is good for now. My air pig's got 40 pounds in it. And so I just go until they equalize, I guess. I gotta fill this pig. Fill the air pig. Fill the tire. Nice of me to air these tires up for these people, because I'll probably end up taking these back because they'll be wrong. Whatever. Grease zerks. Like, am I gonna grease these things? Probably should, but I'm not gonna right this second. So let's move over here. So now it's like, do I have enough room for like a washer and a wheel? See, these washers might be too big. But I'm not gonna get carried away. I'm just gonna stop there. Just gonna stop there. Come over to this side. Washer. I don't even know if this is like in view here. And hub, see, we're a little short there. A little short. It's because of these monster ass washers. But I think we might be successful with these wheels and tires. Take this back to the other side. Put that on there. You just sorry, you've just been staring at this wheel for a month. So I'm gonna have to get some different washers next time I'm out. But what a freaking undertaking that was. To get everything ripped. So I'm over that. It's a much longer video than it needs to be. But there you go. Lawn cart, new wheels and tires. Problem solved.